Good morning. So today is production day. I have many body oil bottles that I need to fill because they are samples for my market, and I need to do an inventory check, specifically to make sure my count is correct from the December market that I did, the very last one, which I did very well in December, so I'm super proud of that month. And I'm just getting ready for the day. I'm using my body oils. This is almost done. Vanilla bean is such a good everyday scent in my body oil, and the body oils in general are just my best sellers, so they're so good. They are so good. So yeah, I'm just getting ready for the day. I've got I think I have one product picture that I need to take because I just added body butter minis to the website finally. That in itself took a lot because with my body scrub recipe, I'm able to make a lot of mini body scrubs. But with my body butter recipe, it makes exactly the amount for my full size. So, yeah, that took a lot. I've got to double the batch each time, which I know for next time. But they turned out really well. And I am super excited to get started with the day. But first, I need to go and make some breakfast, clean the kitchen, and make sure everything is sanitized and ready to go. My goal is to get into an actual space when I feel like it is time. So I'm really putting some work in this year to make my business as successful as possible. And I know I didn't explain in the first video that I did what my business is. Westmore Beauty is a body care business, and I do lip glosses, lip scrubs, body butters, body scrubs, body creams, and body oils, just to be putting on right now. And I started the business really because traditional lotions just didn't work for my skin. I would put it on and my skin would be irritated and still dry, you know? So I was like, why can't I just make products that have simple ingredients in them and they moisturize my skin all day? So that's when Westmore Beauty came about. And yeah, so I've had the business for 2 years, and we are rocking and rolling, learning new things as I go along. So yes, that is my business, and I do a lot of markets, like I said, and I'm trying to get a good balance between online sales and in-person sales. So that's where the whole just focusing on my content comes in, because like I said, I do really well in person, but I want to reach people who are not in Georgia. So yes, but enough talk. I'm ready for the day, and let's go downstairs to get something to eat, and then we'll start the production process. But before we go, I wanted to show you guys the desk space. This is it all organized now from last vlog, and then I cleaned up under here a little bit, and even in this little area that I was telling you guys was a mess. I might be going to Target today to get some organization things, and yeah, this is where like all the materials before it's washed and blah 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 come here. And then even here, this is supposed to like update and be used for my pop-ups. My brother actually got this for me for Christmas, and I thought this was such a good idea. So if I wanted to take pictures and just do like some writing right here to like announce some things, that would work perfectly. But yeah, this is the whole space, and I've got some stuff down here that I have a plan for. just need to buy everything to go with it and start testing some stuff. We got some boxes down here, some heart-shaped boxes for Valentine's Day, some masks that I used to sew, and we've got some labels, some heat guns, some containers that are not clean. I just always have them here because there's limited space, and my pigments and stuff like that. And then we've got some more stuff up there. But yeah, that's it. Now let's go. Started with the making of those body oil samples, and then my inventory check, which I actually need to go back upstairs and get my my laptop, because that's where I have my Excel spreadsheet of my inventory for each time I do it. But yes, so this is the space that I do it on. I make sure everything is bleached down, wiped twice, because really this is the only area that I have to make my products in until I grow and I'm in my own space, which I'm so excited for. And so yes, once breakfast is done cooking, then we will get rolling. So in the meantime, I wanted to show you guys the bottles that I am putting the mini body oil samples in. And here's the mini toppers. I don't know if you can see that. That might have made it worse. Mini body oil toppers. And then we have the containers. So yes, it's sample size. Just screw it on there. And there you have it. So you just open it up, squeeze, and you're good to go. That's a good test. What was it? This is a good tester, so you can try out different scents if you decide to buy a different product or a different scent in the body oils. And then we have these mini lip gloss containers, wand tubes that I used during Valentine's Day of last year, but for some reason I didn't like how they their filling process. But I'm gonna attempt to use them again this year and see how they go, just so I have some samples, because I'm still trying to figure out how to let customers test out the lip glosses without actually having to give them like a little 10 milliliter tube, or having like just one out there like most stores do for everybody to test. I don't think that's sanitary. And yeah, so we're gonna test that out again and see how I feel about it. I wish it came in like a white or like a soft baby pink, like my wand tubes and my squeeze tubes. But I couldn't find anything, and I don't want to do silver, and black is way too harsh for my color scheme in my products. So yeah, that's what they look like. I'm excited I found the body oil sample tubes because they're so tiny, they're glass, and there's a lot of them in this container. There is a lot of them. So I think I'm gonna do an even amount. I'm not really going based off the recipe that I usually do, just because I don't need a lot of the body oil Okay, so I was able to do the coconut shea body oils off camera because I wanted to see how it would go, and they are so cute. And these containers actually hold a lot more than I thought. And I used the little syringe apparatus that it came with, and it's literally the perfect little thing to fill these. They did an amazing job with these. If anything, I will link them down below for anybody who wants to use them. And yeah, these did really good. So after filling up coconut shea, I am doing strawberries and cream. I have to get more of these because these are so adorably cute and very convenient. So I'm just gonna keep squeezing. Actually, don't wipe with my hands. Like, this little apparatus thing works so well, but it's also a pain because it doesn't go fast enough for the filling process. Hopefully y'all can see all these. But they actually, I'm very surprised that they actually hold a lot more than I was anticipating. Okay, so I'm just gonna change my gloves and put the tops on. So like I said, I'm doing 15 of them for each of the sets. Debating I might do more because they are going in the sample bags that are so the body oils are done. The samples look really good. Again, I did 15 each, and I do have some left over, but we'll figure out what to do with that next. But they are just absolutely adorable. And it gives a good amount of oil for you to try. And so after, I'm gonna go find the labels that I ordered some time ago because I knew I wanted to do this, and stick it on the back of this, the bottom of this. But I'm taking this off because we are done making products, and I still have to do the inventory check and run out to Target, and then possibly do the product pictures for the minis today or do it tomorrow. I think I can do it tomorrow, or should do it tomorrow, just so there's not a lot on my plate for the day. But yes, that is it. And then I think I'll throw in a little clip of me doing inventory